Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Choyce Tibbitts. This is your first time here. Welcome in the first place, and if it's not, welcome back. I have a little unboxing, and it's kind of a fake unboxing because if you watch my Aspen vlog, which I'll put right up here, you saw me opening Christmas gifts, but it was like very quick, like a minute within that vlog with me showing this item. So
okay, so this is the good one.
Here we go! It's like I don't know what these are, but...
Oh wow, this is fire.
What?
I thought it needed its own dedicated unboxing, review, and try on. So that is why we're here, and it is another green box. So if you want to see what's in these bad boys, and if you like all things luxury, fashion, styling, definitely follow me along here. And also follow me on the gram at Tibbitts and my blog, The Luxury Choyce too. My New Year's resolution is to be posting more on here, on my blog, on Instagram. I've been doing some reels, which has been exciting. I'm kind of getting into short form video, which is like weird for me. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's just get into this video, and if you want to follow along on all my luxury adventures and fashion styling adventures, then, you know, smash that subscribe button, hit that follow, and let's get started. So, to be completely honest, if you saw the video in Aspen of me unboxing these, you notice that the box that this item came in is actually a lot bigger. This is actually the box for my Bottega Veneta rubber boots I got myself for my birthday. But because I packed so much on a 2-day Aspen trip, I had no room in my suitcase to put the box that the item came in. So I just put it back in this box just for the purpose of this unboxing. But let's just get started. I love these new Bottega boxes, by the way. So I have them in the dust bag. We have two Bottega dust bags, the new white ones. And in here we have the beautiful white lean boot. So this is similar to the very famous like chunky sole boots that were popular like 2 seasons ago that Bottega Veneta put out. This is a kind of a newer style. It's a Chelsea boot, but it has the same like really high mid-calf length with like the elastic, but it's a lot thinner. You'll see it's kind of like a cowboy boot shape. It also has a bit of a lug sole also. But what's really cool about these is this heel. So it's like this really cool Cuban heel, like leaning Cuban heel. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll include close-ups, of course. And it is just like such a nice little detail. You know Daniel Lee, like he's known for doing like very basic styles, but doing it in like kind of a really unique way. Kind of gives it a bit of edge, which is why I am obsessed with these boots. They're really sturdy, like they're heavy. They're like a heavy boot. And it has like a beautiful leather sole at the bottom. Kind of has like, it kind of looks like snake scales, kind of just the way that like the leather paneling is. I think that's really cool. But yeah, these are absolutely stunning. They were, let me tell you, really expensive. So I wanted these. I asked my dad for them for Christmas, and I actually couldn't really believe that he got them for me because they were so expensive. Like this is an expensive boot, like it's a bit under $2,000. Which is like kind of ridiculous for a boot like this, but it's something that it's not a trend piece. It's something that you'll wear every single season. I currently don't have any white boots in my collection, but I love white sneakers. So I thought I needed a white boot in my collection to just like for styling purposes, because so many of my looks go great with like a white shoe. And so this is the main reason I wanted these. I discovered them actually from another YouTuber who got the pair in black. And when I saw the pair in black and he mentioned that they came in white, I was like, I need these. So that is kind of what put me onto this boot. And I think that this is gonna be like really popular. It's fairly new. So I think this is gonna be really popular going into fall, winter right now. But I think also because it's white, it'll be a really good spring shoe, like boot as well. And yeah, I think this is just really a fantastic shoe. The leather quality, if you can see, is pretty amazing. It has like this beautiful shape here at the back, which really just like gives really nice definition to your leg, and it gives you a little bit of height too with this Cuban heel. But yeah, I'll try on these babies for you guys so you can see them on the foot. I'm wearing this like really chunky knit sweater because I think these would go really well with them. I'm just wearing a pair of black jeans with it. I think the There will be so many great ways to style these. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a how to style white boots video. I think I'm going to do a reel on it, but if you want like a longer form video on my YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm just really grateful and excited to have these. Thanks, Dad. Thanks for the Christmas gift. And like I said, if you haven't seen the Aspen vlog, you should definitely check it out because we all unbox our gifts. And then it's also just really funny, just me and my dad and my sister just being weird and crazy, as the Tibbitts family does. Thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to get on here, keep it short and sweet, but give this shoe its own dedicated video because it is that fantastic. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.